I just want to say there was no experience because we've done nothing in this song. The only thing that we did have to do was shoot the beginning of that dollhouse portion where there was actually this really cute dollhouse that we had made. And we all had to kind of take our positions and imagine a reaction. And then it's all, the rest of it is all imaginary. So we've actually done nothing.
Actually, Homie was dancing in front of us and that's her reaction.
Actually, I think the reason we decided to do this is because we had a lot of fun. We had not actually planned an event like this, but we got a very positive reaction to the first launch that we did where all of you were. And we were all having such a great time. And this song was just one of the songs that they played live for all of you. And the reaction to that song was also very, very positive. So then we decided to also combine it with an event and make it special for all of you because it's also, the song's also releasing now in some time. There are only 2 songs, the song that we released last week and this song. There are only 2 songs in the movie.
मैंने उसके साथ पूरी पिक्चर की and वो that thought never crossed my mind. So if he's coming in and being gracious for a scene, अगर हम इतनी छोटी सोच रखेंगे when it comes to working with fellow actors and him providing his one day to add certain value to an emotion in the film, you can't think like that. It's about having fun. I mean, this entire film for me has been that journey. So, like she said, you don't compare yourself and think like that. And why would he want to steal my thunder? Why would I want to steal his thunder? Why can't we coexist? And why can't you guys be happy that we're always coexisting?
I think what happens is when you automatically start hearing a fun song and a song that you want to dance to,
yeah, that word creates a situation. Na, that you're thinking, "Arey, ye alag word hai."
Generally, the lower part of the body starts. You start tapping your feet. You start moving your legs, and in the process, the booty starts moving as well.
Wow, और क्या है? It happened in a very nice way. Homie told me, and then it kind of just sunk in that we are doing a film that we wouldn't have imagined at least working together in a film like this to begin with. वो एक conventional casting होती है ना, when you're just starting out as a main lead actor, you're thinking, okay, when you work with Deepika, it'll be a romantic film, it'll be a typical Hindi film. So I was really excited that we're doing something that is unique. And she had mentioned this film to me. Ironically, I'd met her at Yashraj. She was shooting for Race 2 at the time, and she had said, there's this really interesting film that Homie is planning on doing, and I'm really excited, and I hope it comes through. And she didn't mention anything more, so I knew when I heard it, I said, this is the film that she was talking about. So it fell into place really nicely. I think it was good that we both chose to come together in a very interesting space rather than the conventional one.
Hi Deepika, my name is Ridhima Sherekar. I've been following you since Om Shanti Om, and I've been a big crazy fan of yours. And I've always dreamt of standing on stage with you, and oh my God, I'm too scared, excited. And it's a dream come true.
I want to see how y'all would do it before we actually show you what we've done.
Come.